These instructions will walk you through how to register for online classes through the Southeast portal. Before registering, you will need to get your alternate PIN from your advisor. You will log into your Southeast portal at portal.cmo.edu. Then locate and click on the Student SS tab. Find the Registration Tools box and click Add or Drop Classes. Then select the current term, type in your alternate PIN, and click Submit. Next, scroll down and click the Class Search button. We're going to use the Advanced Search option. Then choose the subject for the course you want to register in, type course number, and select campus of web-based. Finally, click Selection Search and click the checkbox next to the section you want. If there is a C instead of a checkbox, it means the course is closed and cannot be enrolled in. Click Register, and on the next screen, click Class Search again to add more courses. Graduate students and students with a prior bachelor's degree will not have a PIN. Contact your advisor if you have any questions.